Let's dive into how you can save time by using Nucleus to send the risk questionnaire to clients or prospects. You can start by navigating to a client or prospect's profile in Nitrogen. And if Nucleus isn't already open, you can open the AI agent by clicking on the column on the left-hand side. Now, Nucleus may suggest a few options here. This is a new chat for you to start with, which you'll see on the left. You can select one of these, or you can type your instructions or question at the bottom. So I'm going to say, send John a risk assessment. Nucleus is going to think and prepare to take that action. With most requests, it will also ask for permission or confirmation. So you as the advisor have that control to approve the action. We'll click continue, and Nucleus confirms that the questionnaire has been sent to our client. If we wanted to, we can minimize Nucleus and go over to the risk number tab, and we see here we're waiting for John to complete that risk assessment. Now, fast forward, after your client or prospect has completed the risk assessment, you can come into that same risk number tab and confirm the results using the button on the right-hand side. You can also click on where it says Next Gen Risk Assessment and view how your client or prospect answered the questionnaire. So now let's think beyond just the action of having Nucleus send the risk questionnaire to your client for them to complete. If we want to get a better sense of how we can talk about the risk number with our client, John, here, we can open Nucleus back up and ask it something along the lines of, how can I discuss the risk number results with my client? Nucleus will think through that and give you a response outlining ways that you can introduce this concept to your clients. Now you can feel more confident about discussing these results and introducing the risk number in your client meetings. Additionally, if you want to understand the methodology behind the risk number a little bit more, you can ask about that as well. Just simply open up Nucleus and ask something like, tell me about the methodology behind the risk number. You can ask Nucleus questions so that you better understand the platform, along with asking it to take actions for you. So that's it for using Nucleus to send the risk questionnaire to clients and help you feel confident discussing it with clients.